Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, good morning everyone. So today in English Mathematics Education class, I will present to you about equation of the tangent to a curve. So Before we starting to learn, I will introduce myself. My name is Titi Jumrotun Alvia, and you can call me Titi. Okay, without wasting any more time, so let's get started. Okay, so guys, please look at the picture. I will tell you about equation. Equation of a tangent to a curve. At a given point on a curve, the gradient of the curve is equal to the gradient of the tangent to the curve. And the derivative or gradient function, describe the gradient of a curve at any point on the curve. So similarly, it also describes the gradient of a tangent to a curve at any point on the curve. So and then how to determine the equation of the tangent to a curve. How? So you can look at the presentation. We have 4 steps to determine the equation of the tangent to a curve. So the step 1, find the derivative using the rules of the differentiation. And then step 2, substitute the x coordinate from the given point into the derivative to calculate the gradient of the tangent. And then step 3, substitute the gradient of the tangent and the coordinate from the given point into an appropriate form of the straight line equation. And then last step, or step 4, make y the subject of the formula. So look at the picture. The normal of a curve is the line which perpendicular to the tangent of the curve at a given point. So you get it? Okay. And then we get the formula. M tangent, M it's mean a gradient, M tangent multiplying by M normal is equal to -1. Okay, next, I have a question for you. The first question we will solve together as an example problem in this content or material. And then the second question, you're trying to solve by yourself. Okay? Are you agree with me? Okay. So, question one: find the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to 3x squared at the point 1 and 3. which is point 1 is x and 3 is y. So you sketch the curve and the tangent. Okay, you remember this? We have 4 steps to determine the equation of the tangent and the curve. So yeah, the application for this question. Step 1. Find the derivative. Use the rule of the differentiation. Okay, y is equal to 3x squared, and then we get dy per dx is equal to 3 multiplying by 2x, and then we get the value is equal to 6x. Okay, we move to step 2. Find the gradient of the tangent. To determine the gradient of the tangent at the point 1 and 3, we substitute the x value into the equation for the derivative. So yeah, dy per dx is equal to 6x, and then substitute the value of x, and then we get m, or gradient, is equal to 6 multiplying by 1, and then we get the value is 6. Okay, step 3. Determine the equation of the tangent. So you substitute the gradient of the tangent and the coordinate of the given point into the gradient point form of the straight line equation. So write the formula. Y minus y1 is equal to m multiplying by x minus x1. Then we substitute the point 1 and 3. We get y minus 3 is equal to 6 multiplying by x minus 1. And then y is equal to 6x minus 6 plus 3. And then the last, we get the value of y is equal to 6x minus 3. So yeah, step 4, which is the last step to sketch the curve and the tangent. So we substitute all of them, I mean the value. So yeah, substitute the value of y is equal to 3x squared, and then the point 1 and 3, this is 1 is x and 3 is y, and then we substitute the value of y is 6x minus 3. So you can see the curve is like that. Okay, okay, the second question, like what I said before, you're trying to solve by yourself, and you just follow the step and write down your answer. Okay, where's the question number 2? The question is, given gx is equal to x plus 2 multiplying by 2x plus 1 square, and you determine the equation of the tangent to the curve at x is equal to minus 1. Okay, are you remember for step before to determine the equation of the tangent and the curve? Okay, if you remember, you just follow the step and I will help you part of answer. Maybe step 1, determine the y coordinate of the point, and then you solve by yourself, and then you move step 2, expand and simplify the given function. So yeah, okay. Step 3, find the derivative, and step 4 and step 5. Okay, maybe the question of number 2, you just follow the step and write down your answer. I mean, you can solve it by yourself. Maybe that's enough. We learn about equation of the tangent and the curve. Thank you for your attention, and keep the spirit to learn, and stay safe, stay healthy, and yeah, see you in the next class. Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.